This is our front yard in the evening. This is our street. Blizzard of 2010.
Weather starting today, so they started at 9:30 this morning. It's a late opening, yeah. Yeah, we're doing good. Got, lots of fresh foods and breads and, got more milk and all that stuff. So we're settled.
This is in our dining room. Snow is piled up in the corner here.
.36 mile per hour wind gusts. DC